Hi friends, it's Katie. Now, I'm not sure if you know me or not, but I'm a professional makeup artist. I'm in my 40s, really feeling passionate about finding products that help slow down and soften the aging process and tell you how they work, why they work, and exactly what they can do for you at the age you are today. If you're serious about looking into ways to slowing down the effects of aging on your skin, then you'll really want to know about these rejuvenated collagen shots. Now, collagen is the structure of keeping that skin firm, soft, it plumps out wrinkles, and as that depletes as we age, our skin loses elasticity, wrinkles can start to form, and we lose that kind of plump, kind of just bouncy feeling to our skin. So what rejuvenated collagen shots help do is really boost that collagen from within, so you're left with incredible results. Not only do my hands look more youthful, younger, but where I've had scarring from psoriasis, that has faded, and it's really plumped out the fine lines and wrinkles on my hands. Noticed on my face it happening a little slower, but it had surprising effects, such as my dark circles weren't as severe because the rejuvenated collagen shots worked to make my skin look more opaque, so I almost didn't need as much kind of foundation and concealer, which was a real surprise to me. And my skin, I had some marks, like I said, from psoriasis. I had some stretch marks on my thighs that started to fade, and I was really quite surprised at not just how it made my skin feel on my face, but how it affected the look of my skin all over my body. And I also felt like my hair just felt kind of bouncier as well, and I have quite fine hair, so I was really grateful for that. I've been taking these exact ones, these collagen shots, for a number of years now. Now, there are a lot of collagen supplements on the market, and when I first started taking this particular supplement, it was one of the first on the market, and it was a really groundbreaking formula, and it still is. Now, I have tried other collagen supplements and I've never got the same results of when I've taken these. And the reason being is these are hydrolyzed collagen that have the maximum amount of collagen in them to really benefit and affect the skin. Now, these also contain no fillers, just pure high quality ingredients, not only marine collagen, but also acacia berry, which is full of antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, which might sound scary, but hyaluronic acid is something that's found naturally in our skin but helps plump our skin from the inside out, and it also has B vitamins. So this is collagen and hyaluronic and acacia berry and B vitamins and copper and zinc all work really powerfully together to give you a beauty boost like nothing else. I'm going to show you how I take these rejuvenated collagen shots. You're going to take a scoop of the collagen powder, and you get a scoop in this packet. You're going to scoop out, then you're going to empty the scoop into tepid water. Whisk for 60 seconds and then let this settle for a minute. I've let this settle for 60 seconds and now I'm going to explain exactly what it tastes like. So this to me tastes like a delicate berry kind of herbal tea. It's very delicate, it's fruity, it's a beautiful light flavour. Now, I've tasted other collagen supplements before because it's my job as a makeup artist and beauty expert to really know the best of the best. And believe me when I tell you that the rejuvenated collagen shot drink is the best I've tasted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!